Part one, publishing the catalog. As with this and all these parts, I'm going to do this with agents. The same will apply to flows when we do the same for that. They both inherit from an AI catalog item object, so they share a lot of functionality. Right, so I'll show you it on agents. Map the same thing to flows. What I want to talk about first is how sharing to the catalog works when it's public versus private. I don't think it works in the way that we want it to currently, based on what we've said about certain customers not liking the way that CI/CD catalog initially worked. I'm just highlighting that it's different now, and then we can have conversations about how we want to actually handle it, and we can just update things. It's not too big of a deal. So right now, to showcase this, I'm logged in as root, and I have a bunch of private agents and one public one. Right now, these are all tied to a project. I can't remember which project it is, but they are tied to that project. And anyone with, it tells us here, any developers, maintainers, and owners of the project can view and use the agents. Only maintainers and owners of the project can edit or delete the agent. So if you're not a developer plus of the project, you can't see them. However, if I go in and impersonate Elliot O'Reilly, who is not a member of any of these projects, you'll see I can't see any of the private ones. I can still see the public one. What I can also do, if I am Elliot, I can create something on a different project, whatever, Elliot's agent that does something, has these tools, has a system prompt, user prompt, set it to public, then go back in, not here, but here. Oh, what am I doing? I've got too many things open. Let's get rid of these. There we are. Right, so I'm not impersonating Elliot anymore. You see I've now got Elliot's, I've spelled Elliot wrong, but it doesn't matter. I've now got Elliot's agent up here. So anyone can add things to the public overall catalog that anyone can see. As I said, that might not be the behavior that we want. It's the behavior that we have currently. If we want to change it, we just need to know what we want to change it to, and we can update that.